today we're going to freeze dry some green grapes, but we're going to make them sweet and sour. So when you're wanting to reach for the candies, the little Sour Patch Kids, you can have a good healthy alternative for yourself or for the kids. So we have lime juice we'll be adding and some raspberry Jello flavoring. We have the tray lined with parchment paper because there's going to be a lot of sugar and we don't want it sticking. Parchment paper is just the stuff from Costco. And with grapes, because there's a full skin that goes all the way around, it's hard for it to freeze dry. So you need to cut them in half like so. And then we can load them into the bowl and do the rest of the recipe. So the grapes are all cut in half. I'm just going to take a little bit of lime juice and squirt it onto the grapes. You can totally use your discretion on how much you want. And then I'm using raspberry Jello and just sprinkling it on. And mix it around, coat it how we want it. I'll maybe add a bit more. And then I'm just going to put it on the tray. And spread it around. And I'm doing another batch of grapes, so we're going to put it in the freeze dryer at the same time. We're down at the freeze dryer. It has reached the appropriate cooling temperature. It's been about 15 minutes. So it says to load the food in and to check the drain valve. The drain valve is indeed closed. We can open the door. I have some other product that is in there already that I'm freeze drying together. And press continue. So we're down here at the freeze dryer. The cycle is all complete. As you can see on the main screen here, it says to open the drain valve and vent, and we can check to see how the grapes turned out. Total cycle time was 30 hours. Just going to come over here, open up the drain valve, release all the pressure for the vacuum inside, so I'll be able to open the door. Here's the finished product of these. So as you can see, the sugar content from the Jello powder, it's going to cause that to puff up. Very crunchy. So there's the lime juice, the Jello powder, just on regular green grapes. And it's so much like Sour Patch Kids. It's absolutely awesome. Definitely recommend trying this.